Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world. Mamba here again, another update on the Green Bridge. We've done another install over here, guys. As you can see, started installing the structural steel over here. Hey, check out that strand. That's how big that strand is when it's down here. Look how massive it is. See that raker there? That raker over here, a silver one. Look how thick that strand is lying down there. You can see that over here. Zoom out. That strand lying down there. It's pretty long. Must be getting ready for the install. It's a Tuesday job. I got Monday off, so the whole site will be shut. It looks like they brought that big crawler over here close. Must be doing the installation here or assisting to get those components off the barge. I'm gonna take you to the other side and have a look. They blocked this access way. Makes a lot of sense because there's too much high risk work going on here. It's like so you're looking at that trajectory, you'll be already in the exclusion zone over there. It's not gonna work anymore, that gantry. So they went above and beyond, guys. Got the extra exclusion zone over there. You can see over here, you guys, put more strands. I think there's 2 left. 2 to go now. I'm gonna take you up close. We had showers yesterday. They didn't look like there was gonna be much rain, or there was possibility of rain at all, but all of a sudden, Lord behold, it's torrential over here. So most of the places today will probably be flooded if it's gonna keep raining as it was this morning. I'll take you up closer. Someone's tin is inundated. It's inundated with the water. It's a houseboat. So you come and hire a jetty if you want to. So this is where I come sometimes and get close to the action over here. Have a look. Yeah, I'll take you closer so you can have a look. So I don't know if people live on these boats or... Yeah, there's a big massive log just washed up over here. This jetty floats up. Looks like there was a lot of water here yesterday. There's a big stick up here. Debris. Here we have it, guys. Bring you up close to the action so you can have a look for yourself. What they've been doing over here, guys. Big structure. Think about it. You know how hard it would have been to put that crawler onto that barge? It takes ages. They have to set that thing up. Probably lift all those components from there. It's really massive. I'm gonna take you on the other side and show you what it looks like. But this is what we can see, guys. Got those strands there. Started installing them. How many strands are in there? So some of those strands can hold up to 10,000 pound of pressure. 10,000 pound of pressure. Looks like the ones we have in the slabs on the deck. Pretty strong, very strong strand. They look skinny, but they're probably gonna put more in there. Let's have a look at this one. It's, I think it's the same Just one strand. It's already been loaded. Hey, over here, looks like it got more. Yeah. Unless it's all different, strands. See how big that column is. See how much standing next to it. In comparison to that column, it's tiny as. That's how big it is. So you see, guys, they put more strands in there. There's, 2 more to go on there, on the other side. Got a bit of a restaurant here happening over here. It's been pretty busy on the weekend. It's got a bit of debris here. Bit of firewood. See a restaurant there. There's a lot of restaurants here. Nice. Must be happening over the night time over here. Let's have a bit of action. See the pour slab. Now it's all action. Now they got all the machinery there. The accessibility is a little bit more friendly than walking on steel. You can see they put some. Those must be the sides for the bridge. See the precast there? It's got the precast there delivered. Right. Steel is structural steel started being installed over here. See that? Massive strand there as well. Ready to get installed. That's the shell of it. The outside layer, protection layer. Right. All coming together, guys. Coming together. Like I said, the access there, it's closed. I'm going to take you to the other side so you can have a look. This is the main entrance when you're coming from the city side over here. That'll be the main entrance over here. Alice Street. Alley Street. This is the main entrance here, guys. So what are those? Oh, it must be the restaurant they're installing. That's it, over there. You know, I like to ask questions, right? So those precast that we saw is this over here. That's what they brought over. They brought that over there. So this is what that's what it looks like. So that's what they brought over there, guys. That's what they installing. So it's a restaurant. Going pretty quick, guys. Going pretty quick. I guess the rest now it's still, so I'm gonna go very fast now. Like I said, a lot of it is setting out. So once they set that up, the rest pieces putting together. Coming together, guys. See, they're mounting up that wall there. They're using the Docker system here. This is all like clamps you can use. It's all boxes. You just put them to match. They come in different sizes, and they just put them to size, and then you just clamp them up. It's pretty quick. On the bottom, you could probably start. Might be able to lift some on your own little ones, but up there you really need the crane. Probably use a Frenner or something here. They would have a Frenner here lifting these. There's no way you can. There's no way you can work on this side here with. There's no way you can work. I just don't see you being able to lift that. You definitely need a crane. That first half, that bottom half, you would have to set that up. Get your props. Yep, we got props over there. Hold that first bit, and then you mount the next bit, or you can put it all down here together. Big chunk, mount it over there. You see they put the props underneath here. You would have that bolted onto the. You would have that bolted onto that precast so it doesn't move either. Like that bottom. That bottom will be bolted. Oh yeah, it is bolted down there. See? Bolted on there, the wall. And then that's clamped onto that timber there. Stop it from moving. Sunk it on there, and then you have your zeddies, and then you have your push-pull on the back. Hold that shutter. There's nothing out here, it's all in it. So out here they would have to use either a scissor lift. You need a scissor because I don't think this is not the area here. You still need to leave that open for the car park. Anyone who wants to go in there. So they'll probably use a scissor here or AWP or something like that. You got the sort of self-leveling scissors now you can use. So this is what we can see, you guys, on this side. That's the piece I was telling you about. The structural steel. One has already been, I don't know if it's mounted. Looks like it's mounted there. Yeah, that's mounted on there. You can see that. Those braces are just when they were transporting it. That one looks like it's been disconnected. One of that. It's been just for the support when they're transporting it, bringing it over, so it doesn't move. They got those anchors. Those anchors there with the concrete anchors. They got the straps as well for the side to side. Brace for the front movement and then side to side movement. So this brought all the components for this install over here. And like I said, they moved the crawler over here. I don't think this is the one that was a Rochdale, because the Rochdale one looked a little bit bigger than this one. Yeah, it was pretty big. But this is massive too. So you got the anchor there. Must have brought itself over here and just anchored it. It's probably drive the barge. I don't know if the barge must be pushed by a tugboat or something. It's a lot of weight there. Move that thing. Then they anchor it. So that's what you can see, guys. This job is shot for sure. There's nothing gonna be happening here. So yeah, that's what we can see, guys. That's what's happened here. That's what they've installed. And over there, I'll show you where that wall is. So much rain is coming out. That's that wall. Down there. Alright, that's one big shadow there. And then the rest are just clump on. That was Zico. Zico. Must be doing the format here. The format company. I don't know much about them, but yeah. So yeah, you see the braces over there. Break that. Still not complete. You can that bar's missing. There's an opening there. I've been tied me up. Yeah, what they're doing. See what's gonna happen here next. Like I said, they brought the smoker shed there. They got amenities there, like donut. Don't need many people on this side yet. Be a few couple, or maybe a couple, depending on how much they pull down. You have to keep shrinking that cap on the way down. Otherwise it just fall over. There's nothing to grab it. Oh yeah, there's a little digger up there. Told you they have one up. Normally they do have one up there just to help break away most of the stuff and push it forward for these big machines to come and grab. It's not much to see, you guys, just destruction. But yeah, you can see the skyline and what it's gonna look like. That's right. 44-3 Queen Street. What we got here? Got the window installation started. Cut glass. And then they're going home to shop the looks of it. See that void over here?